Welcome to today's episode on Indian evening snacks. If morning breakfast is important in the West, evening snacks are an inseparable part of the East, especially in India. Indian evenings are incomplete without hot, crispy snacks. Today, I'll quickly take you through some irresistible pakoras paired with delicious chutneys that will captivate your taste buds. For detailed recipes and step-by-step instructions, the link for this episode is available in the description. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this flavorful journey. To prepare Pattana Pakora, combine gram flour and rice flour with cumin seeds, turmeric, red chili powder, hing, and salt. Add sliced onions, green chilies, curry leaves, and coriander. Sprinkle water gradually to form a thick batter. Drop small portions into hot oil and fry until golden and crisp. Drain excess oil and serve hot with coconut or dhania chutney and filter coffee. For coconut chutney, blend grated coconut, roasted chana dal, green chilies, ginger, salt, and water until smooth. Prepare a tempering with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and dried red chili, and pour it over the chutney. Mix well and serve fresh for best flavor. Now let us learn how to prepare bread pakora for the evening snacks. Prepare the filling by sautéing cumin, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, mashed potatoes, spices, and coriander. Make a thick besan batter. Stuff the potato filling between bread slices, dip into batter, and coat evenly. Deep fry until crisp and golden. For preparing dhania chutney, blend fresh coriander, green chili, ginger, lemon juice, salt, and water. Add cumin seeds and a pinch of black salt for extra flavor. Store refrigerated and use within 2 to 3 days. Methi Pakora recipe: mix chopped methi leaves with besan, rice flour, spices, ginger, and green chili. Add water gradually to form a thick batter and fry spoonfuls in hot oil until crisp. Serve hot with green chutney and tea. Paneer Pakora recipe: prepare a smooth batter using besan, rice flour, spices, ajwain, salt, and water. Dip paneer cubes into batter and fry in medium-hot oil until golden. Drain excess oil and serve hot with mint or dhania chutney. Pudina chutney: blend mint leaves, coriander, green chilies, ginger, garlic, cumin, lemon juice, and salt. Add a little water and blend until smooth. Best enjoyed fresh with pakoras and snacks. For onion pakoras, mix sliced onions with besan, rice flour, spices, and minimal water. Fry until crisp. Let's quickly run through to prepare onion tomatoes chutney. Cook tomatoes with onion, garlic, ginger, spices, sugar, and vinegar until thick. Finally, serve onion pakoras hot with tangy tomato chutney. Some childhood memories stay with us forever. For me, Saturdays were special. My father would return home from work carrying hot pakoras from a South Indian hotel, carefully wrapped in banana leaves. Even before the packet was opened, the aroma of freshly fried pakoras mixed with coconut chutney would fill our home with excitement and warmth. Being a South Indian raised in North India, I grew up experiencing the best of both culinary worlds. From crispy onion and Pattana Pakoras of the South to bread and Paneer Pakoras loved in the North, I enjoyed them all. These snacks were not just food, they were moments of bonding, love, and cultural harmony. Pakoras may seem simple, but to me, they symbolize family, nostalgia, and a father's silent love wrapped in banana leaves. I hope these recipes inspire you to create your own memories at home. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more heartfelt recipes and stories. Until next time, happy cooking and happy snacking.